Hi there, my name is Cameron Oley and this is CS50 and I'm here with my friend Carly and we're going to show off her amazing project, Kinesphere. Would you mind starting off by telling us just a little bit about your project?
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so this is a web app that I built that is a creative prompt generator. It's very specifically designed for creatives, artists, anyone that has some kind of creative practice and needs a little bit of inspiration or external help. So you begin by inputting a username. I'll just input my name, Carly. And you're brought to a page which provides you with two different categories of prompts. The first is called abstract, and these are prompts that are going to be more conceptual, more abstract to help with creative thinking. You can see when we open the page that there's this giant card that appears and it says, push yourself outside of your comfort zone and work with a medium you've never tried before. If you want a new card, you can just click on new prompt and a new card will appear. And the way I've done this on the back end is by integrating ChatGPT's API and then writing a very tailored message in order to initiate these creative prompts. In addition to this abstract category, I made one specifically called anatomy, and this is emerging from my own prior experience as a professional dancer. And so it's more focused on the body's anatomy in space, the orientation and various sort of spatial geometries that you might enter. And so this one says, explore the relationship between positive and negative space within your own movement. If you want to see the various cards that you drew, then you can go to this profile page and you have like user history per person and per session. So yeah,
this is just so amazing. It's so much technical complexity as well. I would love to hear about what inspired you to create it and to use the ChatGPT for creative prompting.
Yeah, well, I wanted to have some practice working with an API integration, so I felt like this project was a really great opportunity to do that technically. And then on a personal level, I was a professional dancer prior to this, and I experienced various times where I needed some other creative inspiration. So I kind of thought about this as a way I could use a tool in my own life and lived experience to enhance and get some new ideas.
That's so impressive.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing us with your project with us today. Thank you everybody. I'm Cameron and this is CS50.